Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the product service. Sequencing.com offers a comprehensive suite of tools and resources designed to empower individuals with a deeper understanding of their genetic makeup. Their platform provides access to a wide array of applications, allowing users to explore their DNA data in various ways. From ancestry insights and personalized health reports to tools that facilitate the exploration of genetic predispositions and potential drug interactions, Sequencing.com strives to make genomics accessible and actionable for everyone. The site offers a user-friendly interface, coupled with educational resources and support, to guide individuals through the complexities of genomic information. They emphasize data privacy and security, giving users control over their genetic information and how it is used. Furthermore, Sequencing.com fosters a community where users can connect with others, share their experiences, and learn more about the ever-evolving field of genomics. Their platform is continuously updated with the latest scientific advancements and offers various membership options to cater to different needs and budgets. Whether you're a seasoned geneticist or just beginning your exploration of DNA, Sequencing.com aims to provide the tools and knowledge necessary to unlock the power of your genome. They offer a range of services from basic DNA data uploads to advanced genomic analysis, providing a flexible and scalable platform that grows with your understanding and needs. Sequencing.com also encourages collaboration and offers resources for researchers and developers interested in integrating their platform into their own projects. By combining cutting-edge technology with a commitment to education and accessibility, Sequencing.com aims to democratize the field of genomics and empower individuals to make informed decisions about their health and well-being based on their unique genetic blueprint. They aim to be a one-stop shop for everything DNA, providing a secure and informative environment for exploring the fascinating world of genetics.